Hello guys and welcome back. Today it is my annual what I got for my birthday video. If you guys aren't familiar with these type of videos or you haven't watched one of these from me before, I want to do a bit of a disclaimer because they sound really cringe. I totally agree with that, but I have been making these videos for years now. I still love watching. They're like such a guilty pleasure to watch, and I get lots of requests to make them, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Little look into what I got for my birthday this year. I was very spoilt by my lovely friends and family as per usual, and I had such an amazing birthday weekend. My birthday was actually yesterday, which is Sunday. I'm filming this on Monday. So I had like a really extended birthday weekend, obviously because we can't get everybody all together at the moment and have like a big party. A lot of the time also Mike and I plan our summer holiday to be over my birthday so that we're away for my birthday, and obviously we didn't do that this year either. So we had like 3 little mini fun things to do each day, and it worked out really nicely because it just felt like a really extended celebration, even though there weren't like a lot of people there for each one. It's like a little bit smaller but a little bit longer. It was great. I loved it, and it was extra special having River like understanding birthdays for the first time, and like helping me open all my presents as well. So I'm gonna do what I got for my birthday and show you what I got. It's in no particular order because everything's kind of like piled on top of each other, but I will say it's fair to say this year was the year of the basket. I got a lot of baskets, and the first thing, which is on my lap, I got this set of baskets which I think is from the White Company, from Mike. It doesn't actually say, but it came in a White Company box, so I'm pretty sure, unless he just put it in that box. It's like a set of these wicker baskets. They're actually so nice. They're the perfect blend of like structured but still soft. I'm not entirely sure where they're going or what I'm going to use them for yet, but I got those from Mike. And then I also, my other main present from Mike, I'm actually really gutted because these are having to go back because they don't fit, and they don't do half sizes either, so I don't think I'm going to be able to repurchase them, but I want to show you them because I love them. I actually did ask for these from Mike, and I spotted them on Emma Hill's Instagram, if you guys follow her. They are a pair of sliders from a brand called Dear Francis, and they're so nice. The quality is actually amazing as well. I'm really gutted that they're having to be returned, but they look like this. Knotted black sliders. They're actually very lightweight as well and super comfortable, but they're just ever so slightly too small, to the point where if I got a size 6, these are a size 5, I'm normally a size 5, they would definitely be too big. I needed like a half a size, and they don't do them, like I said. So yeah. And it's not like the kind of thing that you could put an insole in either. So sadly going back, but I love them, and I think I may be on the hunt for some like similar ones to replace them. So I actually spotted some in the White Company a couple of weeks ago, and I feel like they might be the ones. They're like a similar style, but they're not quite as nice and quite as good quality, but those are what I got. And I was really gutted that they didn't fit because, like I said, I'd had my eyes on them for some time, and it was really kind of Mike to actually order them, but they don't fit. And the next thing I got is probably my favourite present I got for my whole birthday this year. This was my present from River, and it is a jute hand-woven bag from a company called the Jacksons. They're all handmade, ethically made in Bangladesh. I just love this so much. They're slightly sheer, so they would be like the perfect beach bag, but obviously I'm not going to the beach this year. So I intend on using this in the garden. I've got pretty good vegetable patch going on this year, I have to say. Can you tell I'm getting old? Can you tell this is my 32nd what I got for my birthday? I used it yesterday, and I put all of my veggies that I had grown in the garden, all my cucumbers and my courgettes, and my chard in there, and I just love it. And I also will, when I go back to the beach, use it as a beach bag. I think it's so cute. Obviously it says weekend, but use it any day of the week. It's that great. I love it as well because it's got structured handles. Yeah, love that. Love that. That was from River. And then I also got this amazing like trivet slash cheese plate, agate like bordered plate thing from Anthropology. This was actually from my brother and his family, and I think it's so nice. Our new kitchen is also all blue, so I feel like it will be a really good addition to our kitchen. It's really, really beautiful. I've actually had my eyes on these for ages. They've done them for a while in Anthropology. I think they're so pretty. So I got that from my brother, and then another present from Mike. I feel like Mike was the king of the baskets this year. This was actually on my list of things I wanted. I've wanted this for a while. This is a like a woven tray with handles, so it's for like picnics, eating in the garden. I mean, taking your stuff outside when you're having a barbecue. Also could just be used as decor inside because it is beautiful. Again, this is from the White Company, and I love the detail on the side, how it has like the open weave. So gorgeous. I love that. And then I also got, this is really heavy because it's got loads of stuff in it. I got a cheese board from my friend Kelly. This is really lovely, and I love all the earthy tones in it. We think this is polished concrete. We had a talk about it when we opened it. I was like, we think this is polished concrete, but I'm not entirely sure because it doesn't say. But it's so pretty, and I just think it will look really nice. Probably not even used, just on display in my kitchen. Obviously used sometimes, but I feel like it's not something, it's not like a day-to-day item that we're going to use, but I feel like it would look so nice on my shelf in my kitchen. So pretty, love that. I also love how the wood is slightly different colours as well, like two-tone wood, super heavy. Put that down on the floor. And then I also got this really amazing vintage copper jam pan from my friends James and Sophie. This is just amazing. Again, probably an item that I won't necessarily use for cooking, but more as like a display item or as a champagne bucket or a beer bucket when you have parties and stuff. I know I didn't actually know this because I don't have any like proper old copper pans, but apparently according to James, it's not that, like, you're not really supposed to cook with them anymore because they've since discovered, since the olden days when they used to use them, that it's not great for your health to cook on copper, apparently, according to James. So he did say if I wanted to cook with it, he'll send it off to get like tin lined. But actually I think it would be a shame to do that because it's so beautiful. I feel like, you know, it's not the kind of thing that you would cook with every day anyway. I feel like it's probably just going to be more of a display item for me. But how gorgeous is that? Very spoilt by them because that is, I mean, it also weighs a ton. Just amazing. So that was from my friend James and Sophie. And then from my friend Lissy, I got this super cute little makeup bag. This is from a brand called Jessica Russell Flint, which I've actually had a face mask from them before as a Christmas present, or from her before as a Christmas present. And I just think she does the coolest designs, like really bold, really fun. And I also think this is like the perfect kind of makeup bag size. I've really streamlined my everyday makeup recently to the point where like everything would fit in there easily. So yeah, I feel like this is really, really cute. That was from my friend Lissy, like I said. And then I also have this set of, I mean, it's not actually a set, but it's just like a collection of things from the same company from my friends Sam and Lauren. It's a really sweet company called Art House Unlimited that's actually a charity. So it, like on the side, it says a charity presenting the artistic talents of adults living with learning and physical disabilities who require varying levels of support. 100% of sales revenue sustains the charity, enabling it to grow and evolve, which is like obviously a lovely concept as well. But their actual products and the art on their products is amazing. Like really, the design is just beautiful. So it's got like illustrated bees here, their logo. Just what a beautiful box. And it's also, so this is a candle. It's organic plant wax candle in a reusable tumbler, decorated in a bee-free design, no animal or paraffin derived ingredients, handmade in the UK. And it smells amazing, and the actual design of the, like, on the candle is really beautiful as well. Can't wait to use that. I love it. It smells delicious. And they also got me 2 mugs. The rest of the items are like with the same artwork on them, but they got me these 2 mugs with the sweetest dog illustrations on them. I just think they're so funny, like the character in their faces. It's so funny. Look at this one. Love him. Also love this guy. So cute. So they got me 2 mugs and a plate and also an egg cup. River's gonna love this. She's gonna use it more than me. I actually don't eat eggs, but River is gonna love it. So that's what I got from Sam and Lauren, and then I also got a new leather jacket from Mike's sister, which I'm obsessed with. It's so nice. I've wanted like a cream or beigey leather jacket for a while now, and Mike's sister Lizzie got me this one, which is from All Saints. Super generous of her, and it is the most beautiful, like pale, it's almost like, it's like an off-white, because it's not cream, because it's not yellowy, and it's not like a pale grey. It's very much like off-white, and it's not too cool and not too warm. It's looking a bit tight here because I've got puff sleeves on, but yeah, so nice. And the detail on it, let's get a bit further back, the detail on it is really lovely, and I just feel like it's a really nice alternative to wearing a black leather jacket in the summer. Oh my god, my back just completely went then. I feel like this is showing my age in this video. My back. Oh, here's all my birthday presents. They're basically all house items. Getting old, guys. We're all getting old. So yeah, that was from Mike's sister Lizzie, which I love, and I think I'll get loads of wear out of that in the summer because I feel like it's a real like summer staple item. And then from my sister, I got this amazing gown, which I think I'm going to use it as a dressing gown, to be honest. But you can use them as like beach wear, or you can wear them like over jeans and stuff. But for me, it's like, I think I'll get the most use out of it as a dressing gown. I'm going to try it on for you again, just to show you, because it is so beautiful. So this is what it looks like. I feel like I'm not stylish enough to wear this as like day wear over jeans, but I feel like beach wear and as a dressing gown, so cute. And it's made from the softest cotton. It's so lovely. And I actually had a look on their website. I'd never heard of the company before. I had a look on their website this morning, and they do some stunning designs. I think they had a collaboration with Kew Gardens, and they have some amazing floral designs. So really big fan of that. That was from my sister. She also got me an incredible fedora that is just awesome, and it has like a neon trim, but I have a really big head, which she kind of forgot about. And therefore we're having to swap it for an extra large. And then lastly, I think this is it. I feel like I had more to show you, but I don't. This is another basket. I told you this year is the year of the basket, from my friend Libby, which I think is really nice. I feel like this would be really good, like a fruit bowl. It's not actually woven, it's almost like wooden. I feel like it's, I don't really know what it's made out of. It feels like a very lightweight wood that's then been kind of painted, and then this bit is more woven. But it's definitely, it's more solid than a basket. Like it's solid, it's not movable at all. Anyway, this is from my friend Libby. And then that's pretty much it. I did also get a few other bits and pieces. I got quite a lot of bottles of wine. I got a bottle of gin, always the good stuff, a few notebooks and things like that. And I also got a beautiful ring from my mum and dad. My mum is really into her kind of vintage jewellery. And I got a beautiful tanzanite ring, which if you haven't seen that stone, it's like almost like luminous lilac. It's beautiful. If you Google it, you'll be able to see. And it has lots of little tanzanites on it. You might see me wearing it over the next few months. It's going to go on this finger. But basically it was too big for me, and it's being sized, so I'm hoping to have it back next week. Yeah, so that is it. That's everything that I got for my birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much again to everybody who left me a comment on any of my Instagram photos or DM'd me this weekend. If I didn't get the chance to get back to you, I'm really sorry, but please know you really helped make my day, because I honestly got so many lovely messages. And I just had such a great weekend hanging out with my friends, and like I said, it was like a trickle feed birthday, because we kind of did lots of little tiny things all weekend, which was lovely. And Mike was around all weekend, and it was just lovely to spend some time with him and Riv. And the sun was out, which always makes it better. So I hope you guys are really well, and I'll see you again soon, I hope.